Hey guys, assalamualaikum. It's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. It's all about rice this week, and this video we are going to be using AURA basmati rice to create a curried vegetable rice. Yes, you heard right, curry vegetable rice. So let's start with this curry vegetable rice now. So I'm going to actually be putting some of the rice to soak before I am going to boil it. And one thing I absolutely love about this is the resealable packaging. So it's so fantastic, and even the larger sizes, the different bags, have the resealable packaging, and I absolutely love that. So rice going to go into to soak, the water to soak. So the vegetables that I'm actually using, believe it or not, is the frozen vegetables, but if you have any other thing on hand, you could use it out. I have in my freezer 2 packs of frozen vegetables, and that's with like the little broccoli pieces and the corn and all that, so that's what I'm actually going to be using. If I had fresh mushrooms though, would have definitely included mushrooms in it, curry mushroom rice. So you can actually, experiment with it and put any vegetables you like in it. So frozen vegetables for me. You can just put it in some water, let it thaw a little bit if you want to, and just drain it out. But by the time the rice is ready to be cooked, this should be fine. So I'm not really going to add any water to it or anything like that. So the water looks like it is boiling, so let's add the rice to the pot. So in the rice goes, I'm actually just going to add just a pinch of salt to this. One of the things about this rice though, it has a very low glycemic index. So what does that mean? It basically means that it has a very nice high dietary fiber content. So it's perfect for any of you guys there trying to maintain those, sugar levels and all of that. So it's some good stuff there. So we're going to let this boil until it's halfway to 3/4 way cooked through. We're going to finish cooking it through steaming when we put it into the pot with the curry in it. So do not overcook it. You want it to finish cooking while it is in that curry piece. So the rice should be finished by now. This is what it looks like when it's finished boiling. So now we're just going to add it to that curry paste, cook it all up. So into my pot went some oil, and just like we would usually do when we cook in curry, you saute in your onion, your pepper, your garlic, and then once the onions are nice and like translucent, you're going to add in some curry powder to it, just like you would when you're cooking, any other curry dish. And you're going to basically toast this up nicely, help release those curry flavors in there. So you keep stirring it because you don't want it to burn, you don't want it to stick. And you're going to need to get some water, so you can add just a little bit and create that nice curry paste. Then we're going to add in the vegetables and then the rice. So in goes some of that water. Stir it up until it gets to that nice paste. I'm going to add some saffron in there as well, just a little pinch. Stir that around. In goes the veggies. Get that nice paste all over those veggies. So because they're frozen veggies, they will not take time to very long to cook at all. In goes some green seasoning, as much as you want. I like green seasoning in it, and I don't think curry and stew is curry and stew without the green seasoning. And of course we need some salt. Pinch of roasted jeera, I like to add in there as well. So a little water goes in. And then I'm actually going to add the rice. You can see the color from the curry coming in there. And this is why you don't want to overcook the rice. Any rice dish that you're doing, make sure you leave it halfway to 3/4 way cooked through, because that steam is going to finish cook it. I'm going to cover it down and just let it steam through. Wow, this smells fantastic right now. So close down there, let it continue steaming through. That's it. So I did some air fryer chicken and some cucumber salsa to go along with it. We never really made cucumber salsa. You have to try it out. It's real simple. All it is just some chopped up cucumbers with some onions, fresh parsley goes in there as well, some chili flakes, all-purpose seasoning, olive oil, and you can add some green seasoning as well. Mix that up and refrigerate it. It's fantastic. And the air fryer chicken, if you're wondering, well, the air fryer chicken, simple too. All you're doing, olive oil, paprika, all-purpose seasoning, cayenne pepper, garlic powder. Mix that up there, let it marinate if you want to let it marinate. Pop it into the air fryer. I put it at the highest of my air fryer could go for about 30-35 minutes depending on the size of the chicken. Simple stuff. So guys, curry vegetable rice using this AURA basmati rice here, and it smelled so good when I was cooking it. And like you also put the cucumber salsa and the air fryer chicken to go along with it. So you have that spice in the curry. My mouth's watering, you see if I'm talking about it. And just stand up in front of this plate right now. So good. So fluffy. And those greens, did you all notice the greens how long in it? How long they are? Really good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and simple, easy dish to put together. You guys know I've been trying to make these dishes as simple and easy for you all to follow along with. Easy stuff using whatever I have at home. And you know, the curry rice, I know we're familiar with, the majority of us are familiar with the curry and like the curry pilau, or like putting coconut milk and cooking down the rice like a cooker. But this is actually the actual taste of that curry powder in the rice without the coconut milk in it. So I really hope you all try it out. And be sure to get your hands on the AURA basmati rice. So you see they have the different sizes, and you can find it at most of the Union supermarkets. So they have like the 1 kg, the 2 kg, and even the 5 kg. And guess what? All of them have the resealable top part of it, which is fantastic. So this one, I think the smallest one, it is for about like $25 $30. So be sure to try it out for sure. And you guys will want to head across to their page. They're on Facebook and they're actually on Instagram as well, because they will have a competition given up where you guys could actually win a prize. So be sure to follow them on Facebook and also Instagram. Try out this dish, you all. Try it with the chicken, try it with the cucumber salsa, and let me know what you guys think about it for sure. So comment down below, thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. Always very much appreciated as always. Try it out, send me photos. I'll see you all in my next video.